Hey, what's up, guys? Manufacturer sent me these foldable chairs for free so I could check them out and let you know what I think about them. First off, I just want to tell you I've been using them for a couple weeks and there's so many good qualities about these chairs. I absolutely love them. One of the first things you can see is just how clean and sleek they look. I mean, they're super white and they stay looking white. I mean, they get dirty and smudgy and just wipe them down and they come clean really easily. I love the little texture that they have on there. It looks really nice. And then I'm going to turn it, just have a look at the back so you can see all the way around. I love the rubber grips on the feet there. And then one of the things about these chairs that I also really like that I haven't seen on other chairs is that when you fold it up, they have like this metal bracket bar thing here, which makes it super smooth. So when you unfold and fold them back up, it just moves really smoothly and has this little rivet here. So when you get it down, you hear it click a little bit. It just clicks in place and it makes it feel so much more sturdy. You don't feel like it's going to fold in and collapse on you. So I love that about these chairs. The other thing is that I like how well they fit together. So check this out. I'm going to put a couple together for you. So fold those up. And look how closely and tight those fit together. I mean, so it can get all four of these chairs folded up in only about maybe 6 inches of space. It's crazy how compact you can make them. So I love that. It makes it super easy for me to throw in my shed or in the garage and, just keep them out of the way. Super easy for me to take camping with me and just, break them out anytime I need any extra seating, whether it's outside or inside, which just take a second and I'm going to show you what they look like inside too, just so you can see how they look in a regular everyday setting. Now I just want to show you what they look like inside at the dining room table, just so you can see how good, how bright they are, and how nice they look at the dining room table. Mostly of the other people that I know who have these types of chairs, they have like the ugly brown colors and they just look old and dingy compared to these ones that just look fresh and clean. So again, you can just see what they're like, what they look like at my dining room table. I think they just look really amazing and I really love these chairs. So if you're looking for something versatile that you can use inside or outside, I definitely think these are a good option.